Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gonna see what's going on with oil first. Still above 90. Okay, that's fine. That's interesting actually. Wait, what did it peak at? What did oil peak at? 93, 97.8. Interesting. That's in. Half 8 for that level to get taken. How many pips away are we? Oh shit. To 8 o'clock for that. That's probably likely to happen. Got these lows here on USD CAD. That can definitely go to 4 p.m. Got the highs here. Things happening. So 163.98. That's a number, yo. That's a number. Got volume on GJ. I'm expecting it to come take this high and then potentially move down. Depending on what's going on with the US dollar, of course. So we took this low here, then took these lows, moved higher, took those lows, moved higher, took that low, moved higher. Then we took this high in Frankfurt, moved lower, took all these lows. So technically, got an invalid zone, come down, taking these lows. Dollar is relatively strong anyway, so if it's going to move up, then quite naturally it should move up from here. But at the same time, we've taken these highs, we've had volume come down, pulled back, so let's see, and we've got the midline as well, haven't we? So interesting to say the least. Oh shit. See where this goes. Five minute on there, do 5 minutes. Let's see if we can figure out where we're going on this. Probably get away with 2 minutes. Yeah. That low there moved up, bounced off of the midline, but there's no demand zone there or a key level there, so that should fall. should see a fall in gold. At least to come down to this invalid zone here. Pretty much what I'm thinking. On gold, the level is all the way down here. Why is it different on silver? Silver's moved off base by a little. Weird. Anyway. This is tricky in EU because you've been kind of in a range. I can't really figure out where that's gonna go because there's a high there. And there's a low there. That's about it on this. Use kind of the same. I'd like to see a strong rejection off at this level to say, okay, sure, I'm gonna go short. Because I want to buy USD card, sell EUGU and sell gold and silver. Oh, wait a second, what was oil saying? Oil was down, wasn't it? 1.5 and 1%. I need that to push up a bit, to be fair, wouldn't I?
UK government on latest US tariffs says there is no negative change to the tariff rate facing UK businesses as a result of this announcement. So UK retail sales come out year on year. Oh wow, 4.2. What? UK retail sales year on year come out 4.2. That's huge. Month on month minus 0.3 come out 1%. That's huge. Core retail says 0.5 minus 0.5% come out 1.1. That's ginormous. Core retail says 3.25. Wow. We've got a lot of news today, actually. So we got news.
8:15 is PMI. How has Forex Factory not realized it's PMI day and red folded it? Oh, what is wrong with that? Let me check this. It's orange folded all of it, not even, and it hasn't even put the US in there either. What the hell is wrong with Forex Factory, bro? I swear. Cooked. Absolutely cooked. So 8:15, 8:30, 9 usual times. Okay. Usual PMI times. Don't like the look of any of this yet. I'd want to go short, but I'm not happy with this volume yet. Although this looks nice. Especially if it moves down. Is a midline key level there, broke, retested. Is it gonna fall down now?
Swiss National Bank say the S&P do not engage in manipulation of the Swiss franc.
SMB says what? They don't do manipulation on... Of course they're gonna say that. I'm pretty sure they all do. Whoa. There's a move on the yen. Just dropped. Like loads. Out of nowhere. Oh gosh, yeah. Hello. Wait then, because price is still powering through this level. We'll see where it wants to go, and then if there's a rejection zone or something like that, and then if there's a possibility of a reversal.
Point-to-point statement on foreign exchange matters issued by the SNB, the Swiss Finance Ministry, and the US Treasury in September 2025. At 3:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French PMIs, manufacturing forecast 51, prior 51.2, services forecast 47.5, prior 46.8, and composite forecast 47.8, prior 47.2.
Was that Neville? Yes, yes it is. Oh wow, you got a bullish. Oh wow. I'm a bit surprised by that. We've got, wow. I wasn't expecting that, that's for sure. Looks like it's powering through. We're seeing weakness in the dollar. I think it's gonna drop after probably 20-30 minutes. I think we're gonna see that dollar push again.
3:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 51, prior 51 spot 2. Services forecast 47 spot 5, prior 46 spot 8. Composite forecast 47 spot 8, prior 47 spot 2.
Gold is off and away. I really wanted it to dip down here with some clear volume, but that wasn't there. And then what happened instead, it took these lows and then flew up with volume. Yup, it's hilarious, which is why it's good to wait until you have everything you want happening, i.e. visually on the charts. If it doesn't happen, then you don't trade. If it does, then you take it. Okay, here we are coming to the next level now. So M15, after this, the next level can only really be about here. I don't see price doing another 20 pip move. That's a comfortable size move, man. Don't really think that would occur. It can, but see.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with French manufacturing PMI.
So let's read price action like this then. Price come, took this low, moved higher, took these lows, moved higher. That's all there is on that. I think there's a possibility for a reversal. I really do. I really do. And on here, oh, there comes the news. There's
50 lower than forecast 51. Services 49.8, 49.8 higher than forecast 47.5. And composite 49.6, 49.6 higher than forecast 47.8.
we flew well out of this level. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. I was just about to ask, are you going work, but you're at home, innit? I got quite a bit of news today because it's PMR day, innit? So just kind of waiting to see what go on with that. Gold's coming to take the high. I think then it's gonna drop because I think that honestly, bro, Alan, I reckon they're gonna make a tax over the weekend.
3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs. Services forecast 49, prior 48, spot 6. Manufacturing forecast 50, spot 5, prior 50, spot 3. Composite forecast 49, spot 7, prior 49, spot 5.
So French PMI 51 forecast 50, that's dead. Beat expectations on services but still under 50, dead. Not good. Good at all. That's not good. Let's keep waiting and see what happens then. What are you saying anyway, Alan, man? What's new?
3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs. Services forecast 49, prior 48, spot 6. Manufacturing forecast 50, spot 5, prior 50, spot 3. Composite forecast 49, spot 7, prior 49, spot 5.
Looks like price is going to continue to go higher with the way it's looking. It just keeps creating channels, pulling back and going higher. But it's not pulling back for an entry. This can be pure buy stop, sell stop way. Oh well, keep waiting. Hey Vi, long time no see, bro. Yeah, alright. Still no trade, bro. Calling direction pretty well. Price is just flying off with no pullback. Usual stuff in it. I think when I start doing buy stop and sell stop, it's gonna be really good because it seems to be the case where that's just gonna nail everything.
Welcome to
1 minute
Smartmoney.
remaining. I'll lead with German manufacturing PMI.
But today's PMI day, so you got a lot of news, like a lot of news today because of PMI. Oh. How's things with you? How's your trading going? Yeah. Price and USD card is leading us lower. It's leading us lower and lower and lower.
52 spot 2, 52 spot 2 higher than forecast, 50 spot 5. Services 49 spot 6, 49 spot 6 higher than forecast, 49. Composite 51 spot 2, 51 spot 2 higher than forecast, 49 spot 7.
Okay, that's so the services is still under 50, but it's growing, but still under 50. Manufacturing come out really good. Did a 1.7 point beat on manufacturing PMI, and on composite it did 1.5 beat on composite, which ain't bad. So now we've got manufacturing for Eurozone and services for Eurozone, and then 9:30 UK, and then New York session we got US S&P, which means when are we gonna have US? What is it covered in that? Yeah, I think it's covered in there. I recover more loss on silver. Bullish. I stopped trading JPY pairs. I tested with silver on 30-minute and the ADX indicator, so I recover most of my loss from 8%. That's okay. I'm still in drawdown, haven't taken any trades, which is normal, obviously, because it's not giving the entry, is it, on M1 the usual way. So I'm just still kind of just waiting for stuff, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I mean, I've had a 10 trade losing streak, but I've had 5 mistakes, so technically 5 losing streak, and my average losing streak is between 4 and 8, so I'm sat within the average. It's just those 5 mistakes cost me a lot, you know. But small risk is good, innit? See why it's good to have small risk, because it keeps you in the game longer. If you're risking 1%, you would have cooked the accounts ages ago, and then guess what? Then you're gonna pay another $50, $100, $200, $500,000 for another account, and then you're gonna blow that one again. If you're risking too aggressive, as if you risk small, yes, your profits are small, but you're managing the drawdown more and staying with the account for longer, building more experience on that account, becoming comfortable with drawdown. Understanding it's not all about hitting 50% TP, it's about limiting your drawdown and catching 2, 3, 4% TP. These things are what shifts your mindset from I'm a gambler into this is the job I want to do for 20 years. Because you should only be trading if you want to do it for the next 10, 20, 30 years. If you want to trade for 5 years and make millions and go home, that's never going to happen, bro. Unless you're a scammer and a course seller. And eventually you'll get caught by someone.
Attacks against US military facilities in Kuwait.
And the pairs are volatile. I'm kind of not trading. I'm not trading yen anymore. I'm trading gold and silver instead. I'm looking at gold and silver more instead of yen, because it's in an awkward area where prices going higher and higher. Inflation is still on the rise, but nobody's mentioned anything about the rate decision, the hikes and interventions. But USA and yen, Japan did meet and have a discussion about something, so I'm suspicious in it. That's why I'm staying away from yen. I'd rather trade gold and silver. I'm hoping to catch a short because I think that we are going to see dollar rally. I think over the weekend there's going to be attacks, there's going to be war escalations and stuff like that. With the way things are looking, it just makes a lot of sense. Yeah, so I want to kind of be shorting gold now, because I think it's kind of obvious that it's gonna happen. Right, so EU's taken this high here,
one gold here. EU's taken this high here, GU hasn't. If EU rejects it, what the hell? Isn't that? Yeah. Anyway, so if EU rejects it here and GU makes equal highs, I think if we see volume on both sides, I'm gonna go short. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. USD CAD is taking Asia low. If I'm gonna go long, I want to see volume come in, clean cut volume for me to go long. You know, Vi, the only one that's actually kind of given a trade is USD CAD. That's the only one that's kind of like, you know, actually like given some structure and stuff like that. But even that's not really pulled back recently. But that was the only one that's kind of valid for trade. So I think that because you've had this channel here, so we had this channel here that got pulled back, this come to take it. So let's see what happens here, because price is still very bearish on USD CAD, which is why we're seeing EU GU run quite good. But then if we do see the flip on USD CAD starting to push up, show volume and take this level, for example, we get a reaction, take that level, create a demand zone around about here, take that, go long. Then I want to go long on USD CAD. If you see volume and structure, they're clear. If you don't, I'm not going to. EU GU should be basically the opposite of that. And then if that's the case, then naturally we should see gold and silver starting to drop also, which is why I'd want to be in that trade. And if the war does start again, I'm telling you, bro, gold is going to drop to 3600, 3700, and silver is coming down to 40s and 50s. Like 50, like sub 55 all the way down to 50, and maybe even in the 40s. I can't bloody... What do you think anyway, Vi, from your opinion, or do you not have an opinion on that? Get rid of 7 o'clock on here. So EU volume's looking brilliant. So taking this level out by a comfortable 5 pips. So great sweep of that level. Now let's see what's gonna happen in it. I'd like to see a massive drop from here, and then we're good to go. Ugh. If you got any questions or anything, bro, feel free to ask, because the market's just waiting for something to happen at the moment and it's just being annoying. Iran's army launched another wave of drone attacks on the US facility in Kuwait. Yeah, that's fine. Level Kuwait, man. Get rid of all of them. They shouldn't have American bases there anyway. I'm just looking at the news. US locations US attacked in early morning in Iran. This morning in Iran, Qashem, Avaz, Bandar Abbas, Dask, Baramabad, Dab, and interesting. Right, that's enough searching now. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot of escalations going on right now, man, in the Middle East. So I think there's going to be big strikes on the weekend, and I think I wouldn't be surprised if Trump or someone close to Trump somehow makes a lot of money before market close, like putting a big position on before market close, and then boom, price flies, and then over the weekend, and then they made a bunch of money. I wouldn't be surprised. Charging my phone whilst Right, got another 30 minutes till Eurozone manufacturing comes out. That's going to be interesting. And then we've got UK services PMI, which for me is an interesting one because obviously I love pound or trading the pound. So see how that's going to go. We've had first leg there, which is quite. We don't really have a lot of volume, do we? I don't feel. And 9 pips is okay. Yeah, that's okay. Not my ideal, but that's fine. GU was a bit more reluctant from the looks of it. Actually, no, it's because I zoomed in on here really faster. Yeah. Okay, there you go. We tagged into the invalid zone and USD card. Well, what are we gonna do from here then? We're gonna continue to move or not?
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone PMIs, manufacturing forecast 51.5, prior 51.4, services forecast 49.8, prior 49.4, composite forecast 50.2, prior 50.
I don't like the way USD card looks yet, to be honest. Not profitable, but favorite pair at the moment because it's the only one that's kind of following structure. The others aren't really following structure at all, bro. It's only USD CAD that's kind of giving that structure and clean price action. At the moment anyway. But the thing is, USD CAD, it's a bit tricky because it's not really a volatile pair, man. Like, it can be quite low volume USD CAD and it can be quite slow moving, which is why it's a bit tricky to trade.
but because of that, it does create structure, which makes it a bit more cleaner in price action. Gold is okay, but it's not. We'll see what happens in it, man. It's a bit. Gold is working great on key levels on M15, M30, yeah, like Asia midline key resistance level, break and retest level, whatever you want to call it. It's doing good on that, especially if you go mark that level, like go to M1, look for some type of rejection confirmation, then hop straight into there. It's quite good. But I'm still trying to trade the way I normally trade, which is basically based on structure and sweeps of certain zones and then reactions and volume followed from there. So I like how gold's taken the high and has dropped down. I'm still trading all the normal accounts but I think in end of August, start of September, this IC market account, I'm gonna stop using it because then I've had a 1 year track record. Yeah, 1/4% risk on this account, and then across all the others is like 0.5, 0.25 ish. So in September, I'm gonna make a new trading demo IC account. I'm gonna do $10,000 on there, not 100,000, and then on that one, I'm gonna do buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. I'm gonna take A plus A and B plus setups on there, but that's gonna be slightly different. So I might do reduced risk on there. So I might do like 0.15%, because if I'm gonna be taking a bunch of trades, yeah, then I'd rather just build up some data for a few months to just, you know, make sure it's going a-okay, and then start scaling into it. Then, to be fair, more of a slow, steady approach in it. Because odds are I might make mistakes on there. I might get things wrong. If I do a sell stop, buy stop, I might do it where it's wicked to the level, come straight back in, gave me a L. I need to just kind of figure out those sorts of things and how to manage it. So I'm going to do small risk when I start that for about 2-3 months, because I should be catching every trade. Because if the issue is I call the direction right but I don't get the entry, then if I do buy stop, sell stop, I should never have an issue with entry then. But the SL, I'm giving about 1 to 1.5 pips. So if on EU GU is 2 to 4, I'm going to do 5.5 then max SL. And then with scaling ins, I am going to do scaling in as well, so taking a second entry on that position and stuff at the same time. But I can't do more than a second position because some of the prop firms don't let me. So I think max I can do is 2 on one pair. I don't know if I can take more trades. I don't know if I'm allowed to have 2 on one pair and then like other pairs have 1 trade or 1 trade or 1. I don't know if there's like a max trade exposure number. So I might only take 2 trades, to be fair, at one time. We'll have to see in it, because then this is all gonna make a difference, isn't it? It's going to be fascinating to see what happens. Users coming in 3 minutes for Eurozone. But you know, if I had my personal account, bro, I would be trading like 4 pairs at one time.
because I'd have no limitation, I just reduce risk in it. Instead of doing like 2% per trade, I do 0.5 across 4 instead. So overall max exposure is 2%, but then across split across 4 in it. And then I would scale into there and everything, because then there's no limitations on your personal. Right, I want USD CAD now, because it's come in to that level. Yeah, I want it to come down, take this low. Well, this low is valid, but it's not so clean. But then basically take this low or this low and then fly up with some volume, take that level out, create a demand zone. Or if it keeps going and creates a new demand zone, take it from that demand zone, and then that's gonna be the trade. That's pretty much gonna be the trade. EUGU, I don't like it. Look at EU, bro. If this was gonna be the right trade, yeah, we would not have this shitty consolidation happening. Well, yeah, we'll see what happens anyway in August, September. But it is gonna get crazy in November, December, because that's when we got midterms, and then we might get the whole, you know, let's get Trump out of office.
1 minute remaining. Lead with eurozone manufacturing PMI.
That could cause a lot of volume in the dollar. So we'll have to see how this is gonna play out. We'll really have to see how this is gonna play out. Okay, 10 seconds left for the news.
$52.52 higher than forecast, 51.5 services, 51.6, 51.6 higher than forecast, 49.
That's good for euro.
51.9, 51.9 higher than forecast, 50.2.
That's good for eurozone, man.
We see 2026 inflation seen at 2.7%, unchanged on the previous. Core inflation seen at 2.4% in 2026. GDP growth seen at 0.6% versus 1% previously.
Oh yeah, that's bad. That's bad. Well, if we get comfortable number for UK services PMI like 51 or something like that, that'd be brilliant.
If you're a real day trader, go real-time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
He's such a funny guy, man. Anyway, there you go. So drop, consolidation, drop, no entry, nothing. Oh god, there's no volume in this, man. The range of Asia is only 18. Oh. I might take this, but I don't like the look of it because the range is so slow and the volume so low. But the volume could kick in later anyway, and then hold it through New York or whatever. So. سلام چطوری چه خبر چه کار میکنی عزیزم watch that video اسمت چیه did you see the video I sent you just now on Facebook is that your dad? Is your dad like that, bro? Kasumi, please tell me uncle's like that, please, man. Don't always just that's jokes, man. I didn't realize Omid Jalili, whatever his name is Iranian, but then I should realize by the nose, innit? That's a bloody big giveaway. No, I'm joking. I knew he's Iranian ages ago. You look like him. You shut up, yeah. You look like him. Just do sideways angle, bro. Sideways angle, yeah. And basically like this is it. There. Do sideways angle, yeah. It looks exactly like you, Alan. That nose can cross borders, mate. That's why you have dual citizenship, because your nose is in Iran, but the rest of your body's in the UK. Cooked, lad. Cooked. Cooked, lad.
William, knife man. Emotional damage.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Would you say, and you can't, I'm going to unite the kingdom and get you back to Lahore. Come on, Tommy. I'm from Kashmir, not Lahore, you cunt. Oh man, that's funny. Oh man. What are you saying about work anyway? Okay, so I don't like the look of this. I want like a strong fat body candle volume to come in. Rai Madras, all the same to me, babes. Oh, dickhead, man. Trying to waste time CBA today. Yeah. What are you saying? Same story as yesterday. See how you're getting on 3-4 o'clock and if you're gonna come down or not. Yeah, see if they. Yeah. I feel bare lazy, bro, but just let me know, innit? I wanted to go long on USD CAD, short EUG because dollar bullishness, yeah, because basically, yeah, I think the war's gonna happen over the weekend again. I think they're gonna start hitting hard, innit? It looks like they're gonna start hitting hard over the weekend, Alan. So, I think dollar's creating the bottom wick, yeah. New York session, Trump's gonna basically say something right in the evening that yeah, we're gonna hit him hard or whatever. But he has mentioned it, and whenever they do it, it's over the weekend. So I've got a feeling New York session dollar's gonna fly, but I thought right now we might get a bit of a move in it. So yeah, I want to kind of get in on USD CAD longs, EU, GU shorts, but EU fell down here, then consolidated, then fell, no entry, no nothing, or as usual, as per usual. pull back, fall, didn't break the low. That's annoying. EU broke the low, that didn't. USD CAD's breaking the invalid zone, but there's no volume here, bro. Like that's shit, bro. That's literally shit. That's us. Well, here's where I want to go long. And another thing I've just realized as well, yeah. Just realized that's the key area. So break, retest. We're gonna get a drop down here, take this liquidity, and then that's gonna fail. Oh, that's what could happen. Price might come down, take these lows here, and then this key zone might fail. Because this looks like a break and retest on M5. Look at that there. Support level. You know, broke, come retested, went higher. Then broke here, come took the low, tested there. People are gonna think I think it's gonna go higher, bro. Either it's gonna hold from this level or dip this level out entirely, then go higher. I wanted gold shorts as well, but it's not really. It hits out for the lads. Funny guy. Not no more. So you price come took that level. They had nice volume here. Slow contraction, kind of nothing going on here on gold. So I wanted to short gold as well. Silver did beautiful there. And then it did. Oh, spreads are huge right now. 4 pips. You will go on. Will.i.am is streaming as well. From Black Eyed Peas, yeah. Will in it. I was calling Will.i.am because obviously Will. Iran rejects new ceasefire proposals from Trump. Of course they will. New Iranian IRGC wave of attack drones struck Al-Sham base in Kuwait, destroying a large ammunition depot and multiple troop housing structures. Beautiful. Beautiful Iran. Beautiful. Keep slapping them in the arse, mate. Keep going on. You know what? I think this calls for a change in music. 1 second. Where's that song? The one that you told me about, that I think's a bad man track. This beat hits hard, bro. This hits so hard, man. This hits so hard, I don't know why.
The beat just hit so hard, man. Bro, what the hell? I said, what the hell?
Look at Big Man.
I swear I can't take you sometimes, bro. I swear. That's enough now. Got Game of Thrones style Battle of the Bastards. Yeah. Basically, I seen if like someone like one of the news outlets. I don't know how legit it is. Yeah, you know, basically all the like villages or whatever that live in Iran, like local to where USA is planning on invading. Basically, they just got bare AKs and stuff like that, and just loading up on bullets and shit, bro. Just like normal, common like Iranian people. So even the people are like, fuck off, we're gonna defend our land. Oh, body. So even the Iranian people are like, chip, we're gonna defend our land, you know. That's me, they cooked, bro. The proper dumb. You know, they're the ones who should piss off over there and fight for their land instead of having these lot fight for it, innit? They chipped, they copped out. If you leave because you hate the dictatorship here, then shut your mouth and leave them to do their own thing. Why are you then starting waffing it after? You know what I mean? But anyway, price did tag that demand zone right there that I wanted to take along from. I just did not like the volume coming in there. That is to me very suspicious, because then look at that volume coming in and now it's going long a bit, so I don't like that. And because of this key level, I thought price would have come, created these lows, taken them out and then moved higher. Because basically, Alan, I wanted to go along from here, innit, where I've got this marked out already, but then I just didn't like this bit of price action, man. That there's no volume there. There's beautiful pullback. Okay, slowly pull back. Okay, then it just died off here. And then I was like, because of this key area, it's better to be patient and wait, because you just got a bunch of highs, lows right here. Price might want to come down, take them, and then go higher. So cholo, it is what it is. Yeah, man, strapping up, bro. Yes, Pip Analyst, what's going on? Long time no see.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK PMIs, services forecast 49.4, prior 48.8, composite forecast 49.8, prior 49.3, manufacturing forecast 52, prior 52.5.
Going on, Pip Analyst. But today, you know what? Yeah, go on then. We haven't played in ages, so yeah, sure, go on. Why not? I'll stream it as well if you want, because Alan's at home anyway, innit? So he'll probably watch it. You shut up, yeah? And make fat jokes. I lost a flip it. Yo, I lost 10 kg, man. What are you on about? I've actually lost like bare weight, Alan. Yeah, I was 105-ish. Now I'm like 94, 95, 96. I need to check my weight, obviously, because it does like change a bit, innit? But I used to eat so much, man. Ask Alan. I've cut down bare on my diet now. I need Amazon to do free Prime, bro. I can get some stuff in it. I'm gonna get like a beard shaping tool. It's like just kind of helps you shape your beard. Might as well start the stream. Get a Jew, keep it to hide your bald spot. You know what? I might have to, you know, at this point. I literally might have to. Sahad, bro, what's wrong with you, man? God damn. Oh my god, you lot are idiots, man. Customer proper idiots. Fuck's sake. You know what? I might as well load up Steam now in case there's any updates. I had to check if there's any updates on Steam, bro, because I've not played for a while, a week or two now, innit? Just have a quick look. Because I don't really fancy getting hooked on bloody updates and shit. Oh, Steam's updated their website. Oh fuck, there is an update. There is an update.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK PMIs. Services forecast 49.4. Prior
Shit, 39 gig.
Composite forecast 49.8.
40 gig update, bro.
Manufacturing forecast 52. Prior 52.5.
No COD today. That's annoying, isn't it? Yeah, 40 gig, man. Yeah, I'm downloading it now anyway, because obviously we're gonna have to download it when we play next. But yeah, that's a big big file there, my guy. Big file there. Might as well delete the stream then, because obviously we're not gonna do that now, are we? Anyways, have a good weekend all. Yeah, download it over the weekend and then we'll play in it. Or it'll be about him and his experiences being part of the clan of the Israelites and how he's the chosen one and how he likes doing butt stuff. About work, need to be entertained and need entertaining, yeah. Okay, so with this, yeah, it would have tagged there. It wouldn't have given a break even because they kind of wiki and it would have come all the way back down again. So I'm glad I didn't take that, because then that would have been how long? Here. $16, $17, about 20 minutes no break even. So that's fine. And then let's mark our London low here, because odds are we're gonna come there. Those levels are fine. USD JPY, ooh, equal lows, okay. You know what, I'm just gonna get rid of USD JPY, man. I feel like I'm wasting my time with it because the whole yen intervention stuff, and I just don't want to get chopped by the market, so I'm just gonna ignore the hell out of that. Allow it until we get a bit more clarity as to what's going on with the yen. I'm really not interested in trading it, so I don't get cooked by an intervention for the freaking 4th time, whatever it is. So yeah, leave that. Let's look at gold. Right, so we got that there, and then that there, and then if gold does a fat rally, which it could quite easily do, we've got that there as well.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with UK services PMI.
Come on, UK. Please give good numbers, man. Please give good numbers. Typical Jew story. Alright, I'm out. Peace in the Middle East. Peace. Oh, he's gone. 30 seconds for the news. Come on. Give good news for the UK, please. Very much prefer it. Just give a good news. Here we go. 8 seconds. Up, down, down, up, down. Oh, don't want to say.
51.8, 51.8 higher than forecast, 49.4. Manufacturing.
Yes!
52.8, 52.8 higher than forecast, 52.
That's
Composite,
good.
52.1, 52.1 higher than forecast, 49.8.
Boy, that's good, Alan. 50. The UK services PMI 49.4 forecast, 51 point. That's 2.4 points above. That's good for UK. Composite flash PMI 49.8, 52.1, 2.3. Really good. Manufacturing PMI 52, 52.8. The pound back in the pounds back rule, Britannia. Yeah, that's actually good services data, bro. Really good. A 2.4 point beat is strong. That's good. That's really good. What about was any revisions? Let's give it a second, see if there's any revisions. That's good for the pound. Come on, load.
UK July decision maker year ahead CPI expectations 3%.
The computer's getting a bit laggy because I'm downloading the game, innit? That's why these COD updates are mad, Alan. They're fucking huge, bro.
Hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day
There's a
trader,
47 pip move up and a 30.
Benefit
I don't
is
see
the annual
47
report
pips. I
session
really
right
don't.
It's safe 67% on a subscription.
40
If you
is still
then
a
want
push.
huge, brilliant deal, come on, people.
See a 30 pip move at best, but hello, I'll leave that for now. And then we'll do euro. Oh shit. Yeah, you. So we're here. That's 30 pip move versus a 25 pip move. That's reasonable. That can work. That. And then you got that. Hey Fallon, I'm done, bro. Nothing else to do now. Just wait for New York and then see if there's anything there. Ain't no more. Are you free? Shall I bell you or are you in meetings? Oil is down 2.6%. Why is that?
Right then. I'm basically done there. I'll trade New York session obviously because I think we're gonna get moves going on and stuff, but I'll have to be careful that I don't get cooked in it by whatever Trump could or would or might say. So yeah. Where'd you find the timeout? Here we go, hibernation and stuff. Perfect. So monitor off after that long. Device sleep after 2 hours. We're saying about 2 hours for the download. Maybe about an hour, man. Should be about an hour and a half. Yeah, that should be. Right then, I'm done. I'll trade New York if there's anything there. If not, minor. Peace out. Take it easy. Bye.